Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best tire valve stem cap lights on the market, the YUERWOVER 4PC's tire valve light colorful LED car wheel lights. If you want to add a vibrant, eye-catching glow to your wheels while enhancing your safety on the road, this product is definitely worth checking out. These tire valve lights are designed to improve your visibility during nighttime driving or in poor weather conditions. When your vehicle is in motion, these LED lights flash brilliantly, creating a colorful aura around your wheels that not only looks cool but also increases your presence on the road. This 360-degree illumination effect makes it easier for others to see you from all directions, which is a great safety feature. Especially when driving SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, or even electric vehicles. One of the standout features is its wide compatibility. The valve lights fit standard American valve stems commonly found on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, scooters, and bicycles. However, they are not suitable for UK or French valve stems unless you use an adapter. Installation is super simple and tool-free. You just remove the rubber ring, screw the light onto your valve stem, and turn on the switch. Once the wheels start spinning, the lights automatically flash and create a beautiful light show. Durability is another important aspect here. These lights are made with premium plastic material that is safe, odorless, and highly waterproof. This means you can confidently ride or drive through rain or snowy weather without worrying about damaging the lights. Just keep in mind that while they are water resistant, they shouldn't be fully submerged underwater. Powering these LED valve caps is hassle-free because they come with a built-in rechargeable battery. Using the included USB cable, you can fully recharge each light in about 20 minutes. This eliminates the need to frequently replace batteries and makes these lights more environmentally friendly and convenient for long-term use. Each package includes 4 colorful LED valve stem lights, offering a fantastic combination of blue, green, red, and yellow lights that brighten up your wheels in a stylish and fun way. Their compact size makes them easy to store and perfect as a gift for anyone who loves customizing their vehicle or bike with cool accessories. The lights operate quietly and are designed to turn on or off via a small switch located on each valve cap, giving you full control whenever you want to use them. Whether you're taking your bike out for a night ride, joining a car parade, or simply want to add a personalized touch to your vehicle, these tire valve stem lights provide both functionality and flair. In summary, the YUERWOVER LED tire valve stem cap lights are an excellent blend of safety, convenience, and style. With waterproof construction, universal fit for standard valve stems, quick USB recharge, and vibrant colorful illumination. These lights are a must-have for anyone looking to make their wheels stand out while driving safely at night. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this detailed look at the best tire valve stem cap lights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome product reviews. See you next time.